So we're here today in the wonderful city of Zurich, our second Immerse event. We are here to impart all of our Cloudflare knowledge, but we're also here to listen to our customers. And to me, that's absolutely the best part of the day.
Cloudflare is a trusted company, is a trusted partner, and with that ecosystem of various partners out there, we have the capability to really showcase, hey, we have technology and processes and people that you can trust. And through your partner network, you can really get all of our tools, all of our knowledge, all of our IP to be shared with your customer base so that we can help more people.
So today I'm going to demonstrate how easy you can build a zero trust network access setup in less than 30 minutes, because Cloudflare gives you a lot of tools to build security right out of the box without a lot of handiwork. You can just get started, and I demonstrate this in less than 30 minutes today.
I was aware the portfolio was big. I knew some of the projects, but I was still nonetheless quite impressed with all the projects that were there. Maybe looking forward to working with them and testing them out in POCs or whatnot tomorrow, who knows.
If you are not using Cloudflare and you love simple things, which everybody does, try it out. It includes a free SSL certificates. It includes a free DDoS mitigation. That's more than you need to just start.
Cloudflare with its global platform approach enables you to protect your environment, to secure it, to become more resilient and prepare for the challenges of the future.